Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. It has been couple of days since I haven't recorded or uploaded any new video. Was busy into something. So post budget today the first day of trading, and as you can see this is the daily chart of Nifty. So we'll try to break down the analysis so that we can just try to figure out what exactly is going to happen going forward, which is the most probable thing going to happen, and how we'll be dealing with the trading activities if it happens. So this is the daily chart of Nifty futures. In fact, this one is. So if you see, we are making new structure highs. All right, and this is the correction which is going on. If the budget was very bad, then we would have gone really bad. You see, there might be some things or some aspects of the budget which the market does not like. That is quite possible, and there might be certain aspects which the market participants are liking it. They think that this is something positive and it will help the economy in the long run. So if you see, market has fallen. If we only judge this particular swing, what do you see? Has it fallen like anything? Is it like a corona scare or something like that? No, it is not. It is just like a correction and usual correction. In fact, we have gone to the tune of 18-19% correction since making the top in October 21. Since then, we have just made high, we have broken the new structure high, which was the previous one. And after that, we are only giving a correction like this. If the market condition of India or Indian economy condition was very bad and worse, considering the Adani fiasco and Hindenburg report, whatever it is, I haven't read that, is still the market is holding these levels. You see big candles. So what are these big candles projecting to? If they are really very bad things happening, these big candles must have led to something like this. You see, understanding the point. If there was something very obvious to the market that something is very fishy going on in the Indian economy or Indian stocks or shares like Adani, then this correction would have resulted in like something bigger correction. It would have broken this swing low, but it is not gone till. So if you consider the retracement, is still intact around 61.8. That's what I call this is one of the very crucial zones for a swing. In fact, in a daily activity or a daily candle, these kind of supports around golden ratio are very obvious, and really good supports are in the contrary swings or in downtrend. It is very good resistance. So if you see, we have been forming these swing lows. If you try to figure out, these are the swing lows, and post budget this was the candle, outside candle, right? It broke above this, it broke below this, above these highs, highs, below these lows. So still this did not lead to a subsequent fall. In fact, what I suggest, the market, the budget does not look very bad or very good. So it is a balanced budget from my perspective, of course. So I think around 61.8 retracement. Now market is trying to form a base. Now market is trying to form a base. Now these are the big swings which market has formed on the budget day. On the both the extremes, if we trying to just figure out the numbers on futures chart, it will be around 17,480 and it will be 18,000 or 18,075. So what should we do? Right now, short condition, I will only be opening short condition when this low of 17,475 is broken on future chart like this. Simple as that. If this gets broken, then only I will be opening a short position. As you see today, it was just a sitting condition, no trades. Once, if you remember my previous video, I was waiting for this low to be broken, or there was some low I was considering. In fact, this low I also opened after breaking of this low. I opened this short position. I did not get exactly, but yeah, I got few points here as well. And this was the day when I was able to capture a big move, and this one. So two, three trades were good enough to capture some good points on Nifty in this area. So the main condition for trading profitably is, and in fact, two, three trades were profitable over here, and over four, five, or six trades were getting butchered day in, day out. January was negative. Frankly, if I speak about my trading, January was disaster. Now, this was some relief, able to grab some points, and in fact, on the budget day, I was from long from here, this particular level, and captured this much area, around 100 points. So, the essence of this telling this is not showing that I'm trading like this or that. The essence is that whenever the market is in trending phase or it starts moving, you should at least be in the right side of the market. If it is trending down, this budget move to the downside, I did not get it. Many of the person would have got as per their system, but my system did not get an entry here. How would you enter here? You see, big three candles and a push up like anything. How would you enter this? Where would you put the stop loss? So this is the reality of trading, which I'm just telling you. Can capture. I am not saying this is not capturable, but these things are not capturable by a retail trader. These were some algos getting triggered like anything. Tick 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 tick. You cannot capture these moves. Otherwise, where will you put this stop loss? But many of the social media traders or big influencers might have got this kind of trading activities. But still, if you see below this, I'm waiting for a breakdown. If there is something which market does not like, then surely the market will break down. And if it breaks down, then I will be surely in that trade. Now, for the upside, I will have to wait. If you see, this is a very big swing, right? This is a very big swing, around 600 to 650 points. Now, if 61.8 retracement, this level is broken decisively, you see, this is broken decisively, then I will be opening some long positions, but with a reduced position sizing. If I am trading with 10 lots, then probably I will be making a 50% slash. So these are the two things which I think you should also keep in your watch. This low, then you are going to short on subsequent pivot or a small swing, and 61.8 level of this entire swing. When it breaks like this, then again you will be getting long, right? So these are the two conditions which I will be watching for a couple of days, and let's see how it materializes. Trading does not mean that we should be trading every day. You see, entire January I have been trading 4 5. It will be 4 5 trades max, and one trade which materialized was here, and two trades I think were here, from here to here, like that, and one trade is still was here 30 40 points. So these were the couple of two three trades which I was made, able to make, which were positive. Rest all were getting stop losses, and which is perfectly fine. You cannot be profitable every month. This is not possible. So this is the analysis of Nifty. Hope you like it. And let's quickly look at the stocks which I have selected. This is trend, and if it breaks 1196.5, I think you should be opening a short position, keeping your stop loss around 1224, and keep trailing behind every swing high. Canpin Homes, it was more than a 5% up today. So buy above 571.65, keep the stop loss around 560.6, and keep trailing behind every swing low. It should not be high, it should be low. Swing lows will be formed and you keep on trailing that. IDFC Bank, it has just announced some dividend, so it was kind of moving in the positive direction. And if you get it around 59.85, open long, keeping just stop loss of 58.15, and just keep trailing. Mid-size IT companies were giving good traction today. If you go to 15-minute chart, it is very good risk reward here. Small stop loss will be this, and buy around 45.91 with a stop loss of 45.50, and keep trailing behind every swing low which is formed consequently. So these are the four stocks which I think you can should keep on your watch list, and in case these are giving some setup as we discussed, you should be opening the positions as discussed in the video. Alright guys, this is it for the current video. If you like the content of the video, please do not shy away from subscribing it and share it with your friends and family so that maximum people can get the benefit of the content. And if you feel any query, please share it with us in the comment section and we will reply back. Till then,